and another market fires in Lagos State by Yoruba people against the Igbos. This is the fourth or fifth video I am making about Lagos fires. Market fires against Igbo people's shops in Lagos. Just last night, New Year Eve night, Yoruba people said Igbo people shop in Ikotu Market, Lagos, electronic shop. Fires, they set it ablaze. You know, this is what I've been talking about. The hatred Yoruba people have for Igbo people. I don't know where it's coming from. Nobody can again say that this is a coincidence. This is not a coincidence. Igbo people right now are in the villages and they know it, and they are using the opportunity to burn their shops before they come back, so that by the time they come back, they will start life all over again. This is wickedness. Someone who was there the other day, just last week, what did he do? Oh, bring down the building. No investigation. Now, just yesterday, for you to understand that there is something remarkable that also led to this event last night. Just yesterday, Peter Obi declared that he is now a candidate for ADC. Okay? He defected from Labour Party to ADC. And everybody in Southeast are happy and rejoicing. So they know that, Peter Obi is now in ADC and nobody is going to vote for Tinubu in Southeast. They know that. And that is one of the reasons why they decided to go and strike again. But let me tell you, Yoruba people, something. You see, this evil that you guys are doing to Igbo people, one day, it will be your portion. And like I always say in my videos, I am advising my Igbo brothers, relocate from that Lagos. Relocate from that Lagos. Start investing in Southeast. Like I said before, Southeast is now developing. Everywhere is booming. There are shops that are springing up everywhere. Leave that Lagos for them. Come out of that Lagos. Change your direction of investment and start investing in Southeast more than ever. Yoruba people do not want you people there. They do not like you there. They are jealous of your successes. They are jealous of your businesses. And they keep on, I don't know, they even come and be lying. They keep on making some stupid comments on my comment section. You will see a trend that something is going on, but you still do not want to admit that something is going on. Make you put them together now. In a space of 7 to 10 days, 4 market fires against Igbo people's shops. Markets that are dominated by Igbos are burned down within a space of 7 to 10 days. And Lagos State Governor is not doing anything about it. The only thing he did was to say, oh, the building should be brought down. No investigation. And I'm also advising those of you, my brothers that have shops in Lagos markets, okay? You guys, it's time you recruit security. Yes, you recruit security in your market. And at the same time, you have to start leaving that their Lagos for them. We know that this is a coordinated attack against Igbo people. But guess what? One day, I promise you guys, you will greatly regret all of this nonsense. You will regret it. Let me know what you have to say about these Lagos fires in my comment section.